Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and it's time to update your at-home spa in your bathtub with this bathtub pillow. This bathtub pillow is really great because not only is it comfortable, it also is a little bit firm, so it gives your head and shoulders the support that you're going to love while in your bathtub at home. And it also has all of these awesome suction cups on it, so that way it can firmly grip on your bathtub. Everyone's bathtubs are built a little bit differently, and so that's why it's nice to have the suction cups, because sometimes you want it lower, or sometimes depending on the way that your bathtub is made, like mine, I just have a wall, I can just place it behind my head. What I also really like about this pillow is the size of it. It's very easy for storage. As you see, it's not that big, so this pillow makes it perfect for having a small bathroom or not a lot of space. I can easily store it away while it's not being used. If you want to love taking baths even more than you already do, check out this bathtub pillow. It's going to make the experience so much more comfortable, and you're going to enjoy it, and it's going to be great. And that's my point of view.